Hey, so I am trying to share the linked document or the linked documents that are in this. So I have like lesson plans all linked for the ladies at the Georgia Department of Education who are coming for our STEM recertification visit. However, when they click on the link, it says they're not granted access. So what I did is I went into my STEM resources and docs, and all the documents that I want to share with them are in this DOE docs. And so they're all here. And so I have shared these specifically. And so what I did is I went to the shared piece. I clicked to manage access. And then over here, when I went to the share piece, I wanted anybody with the link. I don't want them to be able to edit. And then I applied it, and then I typed their name in here and I hit send. Sally Creel at CCSD, I specifically typed in her name, and she's saying that she still doesn't have access. So I would love some help to make sure that anybody that I send this document to would be able to access those documents. Anything you can do to help would be so, so amazing. Thank you so much.